16th. That should be good enough. I want how thick is the book? It is. It is. That means I need to make a stopped groove, so I need a chisel that's this width. Do I have a chisel that's this width? Around there, and that would put us somewhere around there. No, don't move. Down. You would be like 2. Well, that too. Melody. Let me set this right. Need something heavier. That should be good enough. So there you have it. This is the MWTCA Square. There's a really cool history to this. Every year at the national conference for the MWTCA, they have an auction, and they auction off all sorts of things, amazing deals on tools. But one year, one of the guys made this square and brought it to the auction and auctioned it off. So all the charity for making the square went to the MWTCA. You don't always have to do that for the auction, but for this one he decided all the proceeds go to the MWTCA. And the guy who won it decided to bring it back and auction it off again. And it kind of became a tradition that every year whoever won this would bring it back to the next one and auction it back off, and someone else would buy it. And then one year someone made the box for it. And the box is kind of cool, and so I thought when I won it this last fall, I'm going to create a notebook holder here so that the notebook fits in. And I left a space up here so someone in the future could get a plaque and put it in here. Be kind of an interesting idea. But this way you can leave notes for the future people who actually win it. It's one of those things that at the beginning it sold for around 10, 15, 20 bucks. And now it's going up in price. When I got it, it went for $50, though in the past it has gone up over $100. So I'm interested to see where this goes in the future. But if you do want to own this for a while, you can come to an MWTCA National Conference and be the lucky winner that goes up high enough to own this. And that way everyone in the future can put a note in the notebook for future people to read. And I really like how this came out. I know it's a very different video. I know it's really not normal, but I really enjoyed this one. This is one of my favorites. So I hope you like this little dumb idea. If you have any thoughts, comments, ideas, things I could have done better, why did I do that? Let me know those down below. I do read through all of them and I answer as many of them as I can get to. So thank you for that. It really means a lot. And if you'd like to support the channel and go even farther than just hitting like, comment, share, subscribe, you could join these fantastic people. Those are some of the patrons on Patreon. Between patrons and members, people who've clicked the thank you button, thank you. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewers. Just like an old PBS show, thank you. You keep us going, you help us stay on the air, and thank you for that. If you'd like to know more about that, well, you know what to do. Links down below. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Wait a second, I didn't actually check. Is this thing actually square? It's not! I can't believe I spent all that money on a square that's not square.